Hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tommy, and in today's video, I just wanted to show how to start vibe coding as a college student with no CS degree at all. If you've always wanted to start vibe coding but wasn't really sure how to get started, this video might be helpful to watch. To give you a little bit of details, I've been vibe coding for about 4 months and worked on multiple projects by my own, and yeah, I just wanted to share my experience with you so you can start vibe coding right away as well. And yeah, so today's plan is very simple to help you set up, to get you start vibe coding, and to give you some tips. Okay, moving on. The first thing I want you to do is to go to this website, and if you didn't know, Google actually provides a free pro plan for students. So if you have school email address and you can verify it, you can basically use Gemini 3 Pro and Nano Banana Pro for free. Like, those two models are really strong, and the fact that you can use them for free is actually insane. So yeah, just click get offer and follow instruction and verify your email. It shouldn't really take that long, maybe like a couple minutes or 3 minutes. And yeah, once you're subscribed, you're literally halfway done. The next thing I want you to do is to go to this website and download Antigravity. So Antigravity is basically IDE made by Google, and IDE is it stands for Integrated Development Environment. For now, just think of it as a place where you can view and edit your codes. But we'll treat it more like an agent manager, but that's all you really need to know for now. And yeah, just go download, and yeah, just download according to your operating system. And once you download and install Antigravity, just open it and it should look something like this. And just make sure that your Antigravity is signed in with your Google account that you just made a subscription to the free pro plan. Just click here and just make sure you're logged in. And the next thing I want you to do is to create a folder. So click that open folder button and create a folder where, let's just say testing project, and click select folder. So think of folder or directory as a place where you can store all the files and folders that AI creates for you. So yeah, just staying organized and structured is very important. So yeah, just create a new folder where you can remember. Yeah, believe it or not, this is literally it. You're literally ready to start vibe code right away. Oh, I also just wanted to explain a little bit of the interface that you're seeing right now. On the left side, this is where you can kind of explore what kind of files you have. For instance, let's just create test.py. This is like a Python file. You can also create test.md, which is markdown file. Yeah, you can create all sort of different files, folders to, organize your project. And as you can see, in the main panel is where you can view your code or you can edit your code. Just write something like, hello, my name is Tommy. So that is basically your MD file, and this is your Python file. And yeah, it's basically you can edit your code here. So when you come to the right section, you'll see an agent section. So treat it something like ChatGPT. You can kind of have a chat, hello, and it will basically give you a response just like, other LLM models. But what's different is that this can actually edit the code in your project, like as you talk. So you don't have to like copy and paste the code from ChatGPT per se. So yeah, that's basically all the interface that I wanted to touch upon today. Yeah, you can download some helpful extensions. I'll probably make another video later with more details on other information as well. Well, that's it for today's video. I really hope you found it helpful. And yeah, you can find all the links I use in the video in the description section. And if you have any questions, just let me know in the comment section. And yeah, I'm planning to come back with more videos like how to use Claude Code on Antigravity and some other stuff. So yeah, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification. I'll see you guys in the next videos.